What is the process for carrying out an arbitration and what rules and procedures apply? Generally, this is going to depend on whether it's a voluntary or mandatory arbitration. In a mandatory arbitration, the applicable common law or statutory law of the jurisdiction is going to apply. That could be at the federal level, the Federal Arbitration Act rules and procedures; at the state level, any statutory provisions regarding the enforceability and procedures for arbitration. But many jurisdictions still rely on common law or judge-made law developed for the process there for mandatory arbitrations. Now, in voluntary arbitrations, the parties generally have the ability to line out how they want to go about carrying out the arbitration. Now, there may be some limits there under state law as to what's required in order for the courts to accept it and make it enforceable. But by and large, these don't tend to be that extensive. But nonetheless, even in voluntary arbitrations, parties generally comply with some model rule, act, or law to guide them through the process, or even will designate as if it were a mandatory arbitration, use state statutory or federal statutory procedure for carrying out the arbitration.